Hey, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to get TikTok story option on your TikTok. So the tutorial is very easy. You just have to follow me what I will do. First you have to make sure your TikTok is updated, and after that press on the TikTok app. Here go into the three lines which is in the upper right corner. Go into the setting and privacy. Now again press the privacy, scroll down and you click on the first option which is suggest your account to others. Press on it. Now turn on these all options right here. And now close your TikTok app. Go into your Chrome browser. Search here TikTok newest version 2024. And download this one which is TikTok Asia. Download it. When it's downloaded, open it. Go into the settings and privacy. Scroll down and press the report a problem. Feed and playback. Click on feed. Click on the others option. Right here you can write what I am writing there. They will resolve this problem. Thank you very much.